Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. You guys saw the title. Today we are going to be eating the trendy seafood boil and cheese sauce. Now, when I first saw this trend, I was super skeptical about it. For some reason, it didn't look crazy appetizing to me. However, I do love a great baked seafood pasta dish, and so I thought twice about my initial skepticism. I'm really curious to see whether or not I will like it. If I do end up liking it, you'll see this video. If I don't, it's gonna go in the archives of trash, just like my YouTube career. Bad joke, Veronica. You're not allowed to make jokes about yourself.
Anyways, let me show you the prep before I embarrass myself anymore on the internet. And that's it! All done! 食べましょう!
Okay everyone, here's the spread. I'm excited, also nervous. I really hope I like it. If not, I'm just gonna get up and make a different sauce. Okay. Oh my god, this shit's like leaking. Okay. I'm gonna first start by just ripping this off. I'm like so nervous to eat this. Here we go. Mmm. Here we go. That's where the fun begins. Okay. So far I like it. Like from my first bite. Yum. Really good. Okay. Okay, here we go. Mmm. Damn. That's really good. It's so weird though. I don't know why. Even though I'm really enjoying it, it's just so... It's still so like weird to me, you know? Nice thick piece here. And obviously guys, you know, if it drips a little bit into the sauce, that's okay because I'm the only one eating from this ever. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, I have a pair of chopsticks. Oh, that's not coming out properly. Okay, it did. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited. Oh my god. Wow. So this is obviously a really messy mukbang. So yeah, I really like that. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. I think I'm getting the hang of this cracking. Nice. I think I still prefer like a lemon and butter sauce with spice than I do this, but this is really good. Link below, my friends. They just gave me this water bottle. I really like it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's amazing. I feel like unless I cut this up, there's not really a clean way to eat this, especially eating it a whole like this. So I'm gonna put a messy warning on this video, as many mukbangers do, because this is Mm. Would you ever go on a seafood boil date as your first date? It's pretty messy. I remember Ari and I, we went on a seafood boil date when we first started dating. It was so messy, but we had such a good time. Like, I remember that night, like it was yesterday, we put our bibs on and we just couldn't stop laughing. Like, we just kept saying things to each other. We just were dying while we were eating seafood boil. It was messy. It was just so much fun. And I had such a great time. Yeah, would you go on a seafood boil date as your first date? I used to be shy at one point, eating food in front of like someone I was dating, like in the beginning. Actually, Ari is like the first person where I really didn't care and we just enjoyed our food. You know. Anyways, cheers. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Oh. That train is so loud. Oh my god, that's like so disappointing. The train is so loud. I've been filming more in the evening, and trains don't really go by in the evening, right? So it's actually, I feel like it's a better time to film in the nighttime where I live. Nice. Yeah, so yeah, if I had to pick though, I would definitely pick like a red spicy sauce. Like I already mentioned that, but I feel like this sauce is really easy to get sick of. You know what I mean? Like the first couple bites are like, damn, like I feel like this is a good side order. You know, so you have like a big bowl of like a red seafood boil sauce, like B-Love sauce, or just like a side order of cheese. Because I feel like after a while, you keep dipping into it and it's just like, all right, I'm good. Like I've had my cheesy moment. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. In conclusion, so this is actually a pretty good combo, but for me, the more I ate of the sauce, the more I got sick of it. You know what I mean? You know when you just eat too much of something, you feel like, okay, that's enough. Like I can wait another month before I have it again. I feel like this combination for me is one of those things. The red seafood sauce, so I can eat any time of the day. Like it just bangs out for me every single time. But this is so easy to get sick of. Like this is definitely a side order for me if I was to go to a restaurant or something, if I wanted some cheese. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.